Both WPS Spreadsheets and Microsoft Excel have the function of a screenshot. What are the differences between them? In Microsoft, we can click the Screenshot drop-down button and select one of the available windows to take a screenshot. Click Screen Clipping to capture the screen by adjusting its size manually, and only the area outside the Excel document is available. In WPS Spreadsheets, we have two ways of screenshot for your selection. Click the Insert tab. Click the Screenshot drop-down button. We can select Screenshot to capture the contents of the spreadsheets. Its shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-X. We can also select Hide Current Window when Screenshot to capture the other area. Its shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-C. When the cursor is moved to the desired area, the size of the window is identified intelligently without manual adjustment. WPS Spreadsheets also provides 4 shapes options for screenshots: rectangle screenshot, oval screenshot, rounded rectangle screenshot, and polygon screenshot. With polygon screenshot, you can customize its shape according to your actual needs. In addition, here's a practical feature for you. Having captured an area, click the pin icon on the menu bar below to place the screenshots outside the spreadsheet's editing area. It's convenient for us to compare or refer to other documents without switching between multiple windows. These are the differences in screenshot between WPS Spreadsheets and Microsoft Excel.